Welcome to our channel. Today we how to deploy a web API with Express.js, quick tutorial step by step clearly. To deploy a web API using Express.js, begin by ensuring you have Node.js installed on your machine. Open your terminal and create a new directory for your project. Navigate into that directory. Run the command npm init to generate a package.json file. Next, install Express.js by executing npm install express. Create a new file named server.js in your project directory. Open server.js in your preferred text editor. Import Express by adding const express equals require express at the top of the file. Create an instance of Express by writing const app equals express. Set up a basic route by adding app.get /req res equals res.send hello world. Define the port your server will run on by adding const port equals process.env.port 3000. Start the server by writing app.listen port equals console.log server is running on port $port. To test your API, run node server.js in the terminal. Open your web browser and navigate to http://localhost 3000. You should see the message Hello, World displayed. Now, let's prepare for deployment. Sign up for a cloud service provider like Heroku, Vercel, or DigitalOcean. If you're using Heroku, install the Heroku CLI on your machine. Log into your Heroku account using the command Heroku login. Initialize a Git repository in your project folder by running git init. Add your files to the Git repository with git add. Commit your changes using git commit m initial commit. Create a new Heroku app by running Heroku create. Deploy your application to Heroku using git push Heroku main. Once the deployment finishes, you will receive a URL for your running API. Visit that URL to see your Express.js application live. For further configurations, consider adding middleware and route handling as needed. You have now successfully deployed a web API using Express.js. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.